Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to make an announcement channel on Discord from mobile. Follow these easy steps to create an announcement channel for your Discord server. In order to create announcement channel, you have to open Discord in a browser. I suggest to use Google Chrome browser. So open Google Chrome and open discord.com and sign into your Discord account. And now go to the server where you want to create a announcement channel. So first of all, we have to enable community for the channel. To do that, go to the server and tap on server name, tap on server settings. Here under community, tap on enable community, tap on get started, and here check this verified email required box and also check this box and tap on next. And now here you have to select create one for me, also community updates channel. Tap this drop down and select create one for me, then tap on next. And here scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on I agree and understand, and then tap on finish setup. And now this is how we can enable community. As you can see, my server community has been enabled. Now cross these settings, and now to create an announcement channel, tap on this create channel icon, and here you will get announcement. Just select it, write a name for the announcement channel, and then tap on create channel, and that's it. As you can see, I've successfully created announcement channel for my Discord server. So this is how we can actually do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.